1993 Chevy Caprice Classic station wagon. He's gonna make it into a sleeper, which is awesome. It's got like 132,000 miles original. Anyways, what we did on it, put a high flow cat right there instead of that gigantic cat right there. Let it breathe a little bit more. Then it's stock 2.5 inch pipe. Then we put a MagnaFlow Magna Pack right there. And again, there'll be a link in the description for the cat and the MagnaFlow Magna Pack. And then a massive 4-inch tip that we did earlier. We actually straight piped it. I should have done a video, but we've been busy. But it was a little bit too loud for him. He wanted it to be tamed down. Then we put him a massive 4-inch by 18 roll tip right there. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment, and all that good stuff. Chevy Caprice Classic. You don't see much of these anymore, and I love it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Yeah, it took all the rest out. Still loud. Imagine if it was dual. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right? Whoa, reach 108. That's awesome. Gotta back it up.
Oh my God.
Look how much deeper it is since we put the cat on it. That high flow, it opened it up a lot. It changed the sound completely, huh?
Yeah, that's amazing.
You gotta tint the windows.
Yeah, that's nice.
See now it's jumping? Look, you can see it tilting a little bit. It's like, finally I can breathe. Yeah. That's awesome. One more? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Caprice Classic 1993 with MagnaFlow Magna Pack, high flow cat, and a 4-inch roll tip. Oh, that sounds good. What do you guys think? 1996 Buick Roadmaster. I know you guys don't see these every day. We get all kinds of cars in here. I love that. I should have opened that YouTube, guys, for you guys a long time ago. We've been in business almost 20 years. So we've seen a lot of cars. Anyways, Buick Roadmaster, factory LT1 in it. What we got done on it for you guys. High flow cats. He brought his own there and there. Flowmaster 40s. Here's the part number 8042443. There'll be a link in the description for them. I'll get you guys a link. They're the Flowmaster high flow cats. They're 2 1/4. We'll get you a link for them also. Then put on some new hangers on it on each side, as you guys can see. And ran the tail and his factory tailpipes. They're crazy design, man, to make them fit. They're mandrel bent all the way back. And then he brought his own tips also. 4-inch right there. We continued the factory look and we put them on for him there. And right there, as you guys can see. This was what was on it before. There's the factory 2 mufflers that were on it that we took off. That's what it looks like out the back. That's how it comes from the factory. So we added a little bling to it, a little shine. High flow cats and Flowmaster 40s. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. The Flowmaster 40s and high flow cats. Look at that look. You guys gotta admit that look. Oh yeah. Again. Here's sound decibels. 112. Again. 112. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds so good. Got a nice idle to it, too. Buick Estate Wagon. What do you think, boss? Yes? All right. We got the thumbs up. That sounds so good. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Buick Roadmaster, Flowmaster, High Flow Cats, Flowmaster 40s, and tips. Yeah! And it goes, man. Look at that. LT1. Enjoy, guys. 1995 Chevy Caprice V8. Really nice car. It's only got 48,000 miles, all original. And you can tell it's really clean. Got factory converter there, second factory converter there. Then what we did on it, it came single from the deal, originally right there. We true dualed it all the way back and dumped it in the middle. There and there. As you guys can see, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. He wanted it to growl. We said, we got you, no problem. There's the muffler, there's the wide pipe, there's the tailpipe, there's the resonator that we cut off right there. That's everything we cut off and dumped it in its place right there. There you guys can see. Like always, please guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Chevy Caprice, much better. I like it. Sound doesn't. Look at that thing pop. 115. Yeah. It sounds good though. Chevy Caprice. What do you guys think? I like it. It resonates off the ground. Yeah, it's resonating off the ground. It sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Caprice Classic. He's taking it to the paint shop next. He's building it little by little. When he's done with it, it's going to be a whole different car. He's going to put 24s on it. Yeah, that's sick. Hopefully it goes beast mode. It sounds good, 7 still.